Okay, question number 9. Part A. Solve 3a equals 12. First thing to note, it's an equation. It's got an equal sign. So we're looking for our answer, a is equal to something. If we're given that 3a is equal to 12, we want to find out what a is equal to. So, to go from 3a down to a, we divide by 3. Remember, whatever we do to one side of an equation, we need to do to the other side of an equation. I'm going to write it in a bubble, so I know that I'm doing it to both sides. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So my answer is a is equal to 4. Part B. Solve x divided by 5 is equal to minus 6. So we need to end up with our answer x is equal to something. So x divided by 5. How do we go from x divided by 5 to x? Well, multiplication is the opposite of division, so we're going to multiply both sides by 5. Now remember, multiplying by 5 will get rid of our denominator on the bottom, and we'll be left with 1x on the top. So on the right hand side, again, we're going to multiply by 5. We've got negative 6 times by 5. So our answer is going to be negative, and 6 times 5 is 30. So x is equal to negative 30. Negative 30. 9 part C. Solve 5c plus 4 equals 19. So this is going to be a two-stage equation. We've got 5 multiplied by the value of c plus 4 equals 19. We want to get the letters on the left, the numbers on the right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this plus 4. We do that by taking it out, or eliminating it. We're going to take 4 away from both sides to turn that 4 into 0. So 5c, we don't take the number away from the letter. 4, take away 4 is 0, it disappears. 5c is equal to 19 take away 4 is 15. Okay, this now looks like a lot easier equation to solve. We now want to find out what one value of c is. So if we go from 5c down to c, we're going to divide by 5. Again, we are on the right hand side. We've got our 15 divided by 5. Well, we know, let's do the opposite. 5 times 3 is 15. So c is equal to 3. Okay, 9 part D. Factorise fully. 4t minus 20. Now the word factorise means take out any common factors. Okay, so we're looking for a number or a letter that is in 4t and in negative 20. So we know straight away that 4 and 20 are both in the 4 times table. So factorising means put into brackets. So 4 is the number that's going to go on the outside. Have we got a letter that's the same in both? No, we haven't. So it's just going to be 4 times by something inside the brackets. 4 times by t will give us our 4t. We're still going to have a negative in there because we've got a negative sign in the question. So 4 times something equals negative 20 is 4 times negative 5. So our answer on the answer line is 4 brackets t subtract 5.